ARITI NGUGI ba MAKAUNTI ni batumirite gutigana na mugomo njura baratumirite kwambiriria tariki 24 mweri jojo bakiaria baugite BUBU batijaniritie na romba nuntu bakuthikire romba ria rais gutigana na mugomo jojo baugite kinya ni bombite kwithirwa bakiona kuri na wega bakwaririe mateta jao na ko gutina gitumi kia mugomo jojo. Anthony Kathenya no ina rugono ruru.
The problem is acknowledged. For you to solve a problem, you must first acknowledge the problem. And I'm happy, including our president, who acknowledges if there is a problem, it must be resolved. And that's where we are. With that, we are really happy that it has been understood there is a problem. And it has been resolved that the problem must be resolved or dealt with. And to deal with, the committee has been appointed, 2 committees, Madam PS, and your guidance and chairmanship. One is the multi-agency technical committee on county government remuneration, from salaries, allowances, and all forms of wages, and the entitlement of a worker in the course of his employment. Second is also multi-agency technical committee on pension and other statutory reductions. We have massive amounts outstanding. God knows when we are able to overcome, but at least even if we take a step or two in the right direction, will give comfort to the workers. The situation is very pathetic outside there. But I am very, very happy on behalf of the workers and my colleagues that we have begun a journey. And that journey we owe it to you as an operative representing the President, and His Excellency also was acknowledged this. So consequent to this address and this acknowledgement, we have, as the PS rightly said, we have agreed that the strike be called off to allow for dialogue, which is something we have been missing. That we have been acknowledged, you are there. It has been acknowledged, there's a problem. It has been resolved, the problem must be attacked. With this, it's necessary and important to give honor to the office and the position the President has taken to direct that this matter has been handled. It's only prudent that we start dialogue and agree to work in harmony. This is a big initiative, and we have had very, very fruitful deliberations between us and the county government workers union, and we have agreed through the technical committees that have been set, as you have been told by the PS, that the issues they raised, which were fundamental and very, very genuine, will be resolved.
After deliberations, the meeting resolved that 2 multi-agency technical committees be constituted to address the issues raised, and in particular, matters pertaining to remuneration and remittances of statutory deductions for county employees within within 1 month, with effect from 23rd of September 2024.